Hey, my name is Kalam. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crop an image into a circle in Adobe Express. So first thing, I'm going on here, then you need to log in here. So I open up a design. So this is example purpose. So go to media, then type cat. Wow, here there are lots of video and photos available. So I want to select this one. And it's really good. Then just select this photo, then this is option crop. Just click on crop, then select your circle you want to add just here. If you don't like this one, again click on this one, then go to crop, then scroll down, then change it. So this is a method you can add crop option on a image. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.